Today I will show you how to fix Bluetooth audio stuttering in Windows 11 and 10. First, make sure your PC or laptop is close enough to your wireless audio device. Now go and open your control panel, click on Hardware and Sound, and select Sound from here. A new pop-up window will open, select your wireless audio device and click on Properties. Another pop-up will open. Now head to the Enhancements tab from above and make sure to select Disable All Sound Effects from here. Simply apply, click OK, close these windows, and now go and see if this fixes the issue. You can also try one more thing. Again, from your control panel, open the Devices and Printers option. Now the settings will open in Windows 11. Just click on View More Devices, scroll down, and select More Devices and Printer Settings. For Windows 10, you won't have to follow these steps, as it will take you here right away. Now locate your wireless audio device, right-click on it, and open Properties. Switch the Services tab from above. Unselect the Remotely Controllable Devices option, click Apply, and hopefully this will solve your problem.